What's going on YouTube? You guys have tuned into Rules for Rebels. Today is October 21st, 2020, and we got some big news in the cryptocurrency space involving PayPal. This came out this morning. There's been a number of articles on this, though. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at an article from Yahoo Finance. PayPal to allow cryptocurrency buying, selling, holding, and shopping on its network. And this is really, really interesting. It looks like PayPal is going to let you buy. The article says Bitcoin and all other digital currencies. I find it hard to believe that they're going to do like every crypto under the sun. I'm guessing it's going to be a smaller kind of collection or catalog of cryptocurrencies that they're going to allow you to buy, probably the top 50 or top 20 cryptocurrencies. But it's exciting nonetheless. You'll be able to buy cryptocurrency. You'll be able to sell cryptocurrency. And I assume you'll be able to send crypto on and off their network. The article wasn't really clear on that, but that will be one interesting sticking point, as Robinhood was one of the more, quote unquote, mainstream companies to get involved in cryptocurrency a couple years back. But the problem with buying cryptocurrency on Robinhood, you essentially didn't own Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. You had an IOU, because Robinhood wouldn't let you move your crypto that you purchased off of their platform, and they wouldn't let you move crypto that you already had onto their platform. So you pretty much had an IOU that said Robinhood was holding cryptocurrency for you. We'll see if Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptocurrencies get a boost off of this. What's also especially interesting about this, I've often heard people say, oh, PayPal, Stripe, these traditional banking doesn't want cryptocurrency. It's direct competition to them. And, I kind of get why people say that, but that's not the case at all. PayPal as a company has pretty much always been supportive of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and pretty much all the executives and insiders at PayPal have publicly stated their support for cryptocurrency, the value they see in cryptocurrency. And it's not really competition, because if anything, a company like PayPal could come in and be a direct competitor to Stripe in terms of being an on-ramp and off-ramp. And also, obviously, PayPal is incredibly popular in the e-commerce space. So this, I think this stands a chance of really spurring on adoption, because everybody with a PayPal account is now exposed to cryptocurrency. Not only that, but even people who don't have PayPal accounts but shop on, online stores that have PayPal, they're likely going to see some icon for Bitcoin or Ethereum or cryptocurrency. So I think this is a fantastic thing for adoption. Let's read the article. So out of London, Reuters, PayPal Holdings Inc. joined the cryptocurrency market on Wednesday, allowing customers to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin and other virtual currencies on the U.S. digital payment company's online wallets. And you see here is where they said, I'm sorry, I guess they didn't say all other, and other virtual coins. PayPal customers will also be able to use cryptocurrency to shop at the 26 million merchants on its network starting in early 2021. So it looks like that's going to be coming out maybe January, February, I guess, is what PayPal said in a statement. PayPal hopes the service will encourage global use of virtual coins and prepare its network for new digital currencies that may be developed by central banks and corporations, President and Chief Executive Dan Schulman said in an interview. I know there's been I haven't been following the crypto space as closely as I used to, but I know there has been a lot of talk lately about a virtual yuan. I know the U.S. Government has talked, I don't know how serious we are, but has talked about doing like a federal dollar. But one thing that I wouldn't be shocked to see is if PayPal actually rolled out their own coin, like a PayPal coin, that could be used on the platform in place of dollars, maybe even a stable coin, who knows. U.S. account holders will be able to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies in their PayPal wallets over the coming weeks, said the company. It plans to expand Venmo in some countries in the first half of 2021. Other mainstream fintech companies, such as mobile payment provider Square Inc. and stock trading app Robinhood Inc., allow users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, but PayPal's launch is noteworthy given its vast reach. So Square, I think recently it was announced Square, which is actually owned by Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey. I believe they sunk 1% of the entire company's wealth or money into Bitcoin recently. Which was kind of interesting, and what kind of shows you how established Bitcoin and the crypto markets are. It really didn't move the markets much. There was a little bit of maybe added interest or attention because of that. But a big company like Square Inc. sinking 1% of their funds into Bitcoin didn't really move the market. So that's kind of a good thing, actually. Robinhood, I mentioned earlier. Robinhood, you can quote unquote buy Bitcoin on Robinhood, but you really don't. What do they say? Not your keys, not your Bitcoin. The company based in San Jose, California, has 346 million active accounts around the world and processed $222 billion in payments in the second quarter. Cryptocurrencies tend to be volatile, making them attractive to speculators, but a lot less appealing to merchants and shoppers. Transactions have been slower, more costly than other mainstream payment systems. Cryptocurrency payments on PayPal will be settled using fiat currencies such as the US dollar, meaning merchants will not receive payments in virtual coins, the company said. So that's another interesting thing about this. With some of these cryptocurrency, what's the word I'm looking for? Not a merchant processor, but a payment gateway. With some of these cryptocurrency payment gateways, you have a choice to either take in crypto and hold crypto, or to have that crypto instantly transferred into dollars if you don't want to be subject to the volatility of Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. And it looks like, at least from what they're saying here, or at least initially, you won't be able to get paid in Bitcoin and hold that Bitcoin. It's going to get transferred into dollars. So somebody pays you in Bitcoin, it turns into dollars in your PayPal account. And if you wanted Bitcoin, you would have to, yeah, I guess you could probably within PayPal convert it back to Bitcoin, but you're not going to have the choice of receiving it in crypto or Bitcoin. And one kind of critique of this, I've seen a couple comments on these articles and things posted a couple different places. A lot of people say, well, doesn't using a service like PayPal that makes you KYC and verify all your info, doesn't that kind of defeat the point of using crypto? Well, I mean, pretty much every mainstream on-ramp, off-ramp place to buy crypto requires that you KYC. So whether you're using Gemini, whether you're using Coinbase, they all have your info anyways. And I think at this point, we all know that Bitcoin isn't anonymous. It's pseudo-anonymous in the sense that nobody knows who you are until you go through some type of on-ramp or off-ramp to trade your Bitcoin, and then it can kind of be traced back to you. But there's really nothing anonymous about Bitcoin. So overall, I think this is a good thing for the crypto space. I think it's going to get the attention of a lot of people who might not have otherwise paid attention, and I think it may help kind of boost crypto adoption in the e-commerce world, which is growing, day after day. Especially, it was growing before COVID, but especially in this post-COVID world, it's growing even more now that a lot of people don't want to shop in stores. Let's see. Many banks around the world have expressed their intention to develop digital versions of their currencies in the coming year. Well, Facebook Inc. led the creation of a cryptocurrency project called Libra in 2019. We haven't heard much about that Libra in recent months. PayPal was a founding member but dropped out after a few months. PayPal, which has secured the first conditional cryptocurrency license from the New York State Department of Financial Services, will initially allow the purchase of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies called Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. So that's interesting. It looks like it may only be that handful of cryptocurrencies starting out, but I'm sure it will expand to others. Is there anything that you guys are surprised that you didn't see here? I'm kind of surprised to see Bitcoin Cash, but I mean, I think Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin have always been kind of the core, even though Litecoin's kind of fallen off in recent years. Those have always been kind of the core cryptocurrencies. That's what Coinbase started out as. That's, I think, Gemini, I believe, started off with just Bitcoin and Ethereum. So wouldn't be surprised to see them expand this out. And it says that PayPal has partnered with Paxos Trust Company to offer this service. So let me know what you guys think about this. Do you think this is, I don't see how you can think this is a bad thing, but do you think this is a good thing or a bad thing? Do you think this will have an effect on crypto prices? Do you think Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies mentioned as being a part of this program will get a boost? Do you see this spurring crypto adoption to the mainstream? Let me know your thoughts. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that thumbs up button down below. And I know I've been slacking on making content lately, but I'll be getting more stuff out in the near future here. So if you guys would like to see more videos about cryptocurrency, making money online, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will catch you on the next video.